I want to spend money on all sorts of things, don't I? Yeah, I wish I could, but yeah, that's it. You've got the kids to feed first, you know.
There is one in Brent.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
One thing, just make it more because if I buy something, I don't really want to use that. So I trade it to where it's used.
Yeah.
Is that one big? The way you're billing it, you actually use everyone.
Yeah. So this board.
Since you use everyone's heavy, blah blah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to choice it, but I never used it.
Yeah.
Wherever I use that, I use it. Use my 5 ones.
You're never without a setup because it doesn't matter what you. What's that? You've only what? You've only bought one?
Yeah.
I thought you how many do you normally have?
That's had the 2 9 because I've already got back in the spring, the summer seed bag, haven't I?
Ah. You only bought the summer one?
Well, it's rated down to, what you do is put the yellow small on the outside of it.
Yeah.
That way, I get 2 layers. I can get the winter bag out of 1 2 small bag. This time, that's that. like this shit.
I love it. I love it.
It's great. Even though it happens, definitely.
I'll do a little kit rundown with you if you like later. Show the people what you got. You got some pretty nice stuff. So.
Yeah, exactly. Speaking of. You better give me slowly fun, mate.
I hope so. Do you know, I ain't seen any spiders, bugs, nothing.
You got a ground sheet?
Yeah, I've got a mountain, inflatable, self-inflating mountain mat.
There's a ground sheet on the ground as well that make you more insulated off the ground, you know what I mean?
No, I nearly bought an extra tarpaulin and my woolen blanket.
Yeah.
But I didn't in the end, I just couldn't be bothered to pack anymore.
Yeah, it's like,
but this is waterproof.
Yeah, easy.
So I reckon that'll do me.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the old sleeping arrangements made.
For your tarp, was it?
What's that?
For your tarp, was it?
Yeah, it's a dry bag for my tarp. Just going to zip that. Just going to do that up. Right. All right then, Lukey. Show us what you've been purchasing.
Right. So I recently just bought the Mora guard bag. So I haven't tried that yet. The carbon steel version. So that's quite nice. I'm going to try that out today. And got the Discars saw, which is pretty good, pull saw. Quite one of the bigger ones.
Is that new, is it?
No, I've had that for a while now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's pretty good. Just lots of charges, pretty easy, which
yeah, turn sideways, the other way you want. There you go. Yeah, nice. What's that other little one you got? The little knife?
Oh yeah, you got it there. Alright, so I've also got the Mora Eldris, which is a lovely little knife.
Yeah.
Brand new as well. To pair up with the guard bags, nice little stainless steel, which you can't go wrong with really. Sort of a neck knife. And this is my axe. This guy's X10.
I do love that axe. There's something about it. It's not like traditional bushcraft looking stuff, but it just looks cool.
Yeah, but
It just
lovely.
looks cool. Yeah.
Lovely sharp axe that is.
Yeah.
Indestructible pretty much.
It comes with a little sharpening kit, doesn't it?
Yeah, I've got the little. Well, it doesn't come with it. I've got the little. It's an axe and knife sharpener.
Oh, right.
It's only good for like just the little bits in the field.
Yeah, yeah.
But, and they got a bit of orange, so if you drop it,
Yeah.
don't lose it.
Yeah, too right, mate. Fair play.
Yes, that's my tool setup.
Lovely. Lovely, like it. What have you got going on in here then?
So the Snug Pack all-weather shelter is the tarp, and then it's the Snug Pack jungle hammock with the net on it as well. And then the Caramore SF 60 to 100 litre.
It's a monster, I love it. I'm very jealous.
So we get out.
Yeah, get out. So cool. I love it.
So yes, it's the Caramore SF one, 60 to 100 litre, which is it's pretty good. I think they stopped producing the one that was bigger. They went to the Predator back for the what are they called now? It's a Predator line actually, yeah.
Yeah.
It's on the same line, yeah.
Yeah, nice. You've not got the side sponsors and things, what?
I do, yeah.
Have you got them?
Yeah, no, I haven't got them with me now. You can add the rocket pouches on the side as well,
Yeah.
and it goes to think they're actually 15 litres each, I think.
So what's that in total then, once you got all that?
If you went fully expanded this to 100 litres plus those, you got at least like about 140 litres worth of bag. Maybe more.
Awesome.
Yeah, which is pretty good.
I just love all the back, like where it attaches to your body.
Yeah, it's really nice padding as well.
So padded.
Quite
So
padded, and I'm really comfortable. It can handle huge amounts of weight, so
yeah, much more comfortable than mine.
yeah, it's great.
I'm rocking some 1980s. What even is that?
Cowboy. I don't know what it is. Military issue. It's
Yeah.
not a gem. It's not a gem one. Is it? It's the Berghaus, the really old
I
one.
think actually it is a Berghaus. I'm going to have a look. I picked it up for about £4 at a car boot or something. This is typical of my entire setup. That most of it comes from car boots. So I'll just drag my bag out here. I'll show you what I've got. Got some little bits there. That's our little cooking kit. Got the hurricane lamp and the Crusader.
Oh, the Crusader cook kit, yeah.
Yeah, that's not the cook kit. That's just the little canteen. You've got the proper cook kit, haven't you? Yeah.
I've got the Crusader cook kit.
Yeah. First aid kit. I've got a little bivvy bag there. Don't know who makes that. It was
It's Mountain Warehouse, is that?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Mountain Warehouse, yeah.
And with the bag inside, you gave me that, didn't you?
Yeah, it's a brand. So yeah, a friend of mine was bringing it to the country.
Vango?
Trim.
Trim. Trim.
Czech Republic, I think it was.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're not in the country anymore. He was importing them, and then he stopped. Say,
Yeah.
that was ex stock.
It's pretty good though. It's minor.
It's a good quality bag, yeah.
Rated to
Minus 23, I think it is.
yeah, minus 23. It's pretty good. It's done me all right. I've never needed another one. So in here, I'll just show you it. So, like I said, old school.
Pretty well.
Love it. Yeah, hold that a sec. Love it. I'll just check this in. Yeah, there we go. That's the fella. So that is.
It's got rocket badges. They detach in there as well.
Yeah, they do come off. It is Berghaus, yeah.
It is Berghaus.
Cyclops Crusader. I mean, it is massive and it's rugged like you wouldn't believe. You know, I don't know how old this damn thing is. Made in Great Britain, there, isn't it? Owned by numerous people.
Takes military, I think, wasn't it?
I think it is ex-military.
Yeah.
But it is super strong, you know, and it carries absolutely bucket loads of stuff. So, but yeah, nothing in my kit really matches, to be honest. Look, this is how professional I am. Look, I've got a hiking sock as an axe sheath.
It's brilliant.
I've been rocking that sock now for about a year.
Just shows it,
Yeah, and I've got this little what do you call these, bungee cords on the handle thing at the front, and that's the way I do my keep my saucepan in there and bits and bobs, because I don't even know what these things do, but you know, still it all gets me around and does what I need it to, as ugly as it is. Oh well. Right, firewood then.
Let's crack on, let's get some wood.
Let's get some wood.
Huh? Yeah. Might split that.
You know what?
Well, I might split that.
I'm going to give it a shot with this.
Will the oak burn quick? Will it? Or,
No, the oak burns pretty slowly.
I mean, will it burn alright? Will it catch fire though? Right?
But take a spark? No, it's not as readily. It doesn't as readily take a spark as the pine will, the larch,
Yeah.
and that's fine because that does its job later on. You know, that's what we want to be cooking off of. See if we can't get this going. Get a
Burn through that bit.
That's good.
haven't quite decided yet, so she does and she doesn't, but I don't know. Like, you know, kids always love their mothers, of course they do. But it's just.
Farm, my local dairy farm. It's non-pasteurised.
No way.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh no, it's not non-pasteurised. Sorry, it's non-homogenised. Double cream. It's illegal to sell non-pasteurised stuff, but it's 100% Guernsey cow milk. It's the best cream. They make all their own ice creams and things as well. It's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
What's that pan again, mate?
What's this?
The pan, is it stainless steel always put, is it? Or is it
It's steel all the way through. It's got
non-stick one, is it?
Yeah, some old cheap. Old cheap pan. It's nothing special, I don't even know where it came from. But I love it. It's not my cast iron big one.
Yeah.
It's going to be epic. Loads of spinach. Yeah. There's the ticket. So, crema de spinach, tagliatelle, woodland style. Oh my god, that is good. That is good looking food.
Great.
That is good. Alright, that's about as much filming as I reckon we're going to do tonight. We're going to eat maybe just a little bit more filming, but nothing much. And get that down us, sit by the campfire, enjoy it. Not going to do loads of nighttime filming because it's boring. Looks rubbish. But this food looks awesome. So I'm going to enjoy that. And yeah, probably catch up with you guys in the morning. Righto, let's get some food.
One guy put a nice little
Yes.